Divisibility rules. Divisibility rules help us to check whether a given number is divisible by another number or not without actual dividing it. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it is an even number. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2. Again I repeat, divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it is an even number. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. That number is an even number, or we can say a number is divisible by 2. For example, which of the following is divisible by 2? Now we check. The here is 18. 18 is an even number. In ones place, the digit will be 8. And we see a number is divisible by 2 if its ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So this 8 comes in ones place digit. So this number is an even number. We can say 18 is divisible by 2. The next example, 21. 21 is an odd number. In ones place, the digit not come 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So we can say this number is an odd number and it is not divisible by 2. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. For example, we check this number is divisible by 3 or not. 53, we can take it. Now we sum these digits. 5 plus 3, that is equals to 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 53 is not divisible by 3. The next example, 207. The sum of the digit in 207 is 2 plus 0 plus 7, that is equals to 9. As 9 is divisible by 3, therefore 207 is also divisible by 3. Divisibility by 3 का रूल ये है कि कोई भी नंबर दिया हुआ है उसकी जो भी डिजिट्स गिवन है उन सबको हम प्लस कर देंगे, सम कर देंगे. जो सम करने पे आएगा, अगर that number is divisible by 3, then we can say that number is divisible by 3. If the sum is not divisible by 3, then we can say that number is also not divisible by 3. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the digit in the ones place is either 0 or 5. Now, let us see the example that these are the numbers and we check which of the following are divisible by 5. 50. 50 has 0 in the ones place. So 5 is a factor of 50, that is 50 is divisible by 5. Another example, 65 has 5 in ones place. So 5 is a factor of 65, that is 65 is divisible by 5. Then see the next example, 72 has neither 0 nor 5 in the ones place. So 5 is not a factor of 72, that is 72 is not divisible by 5. वही नंबर 5 से डिविजिबल होगा जिसकी वंस प्लेस पर 0 या 5 आए. That number is divisible by 5. Remember this. Divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. A number is divisible by 6 only if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. If it is divisible by 2 and not divisible by 3, then we cannot say the number is divisible by 6. So students, please note it down that a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Now check whether the numbers are divisible by 6. Let's take 48. 48 is divisible by 2 as it is even. 48 is also divisible by 3. When we add these two digits 4 plus 8, then the sum is equals to 12. And 12 is divisible by 6. So 48 is divisible by 6 because it is divisible by both 2 and 3. The next is 64. 64 is divisible by 2 as it is even. 64 is not divisible by 3 as if we add these two digits 6 plus 4, then the sum is equals to 10. So 10 is not divisible by 6. So 64 is not divisible by 6 because the divisibility rule of 6 is that it is divisible by 6 only if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9. The same as the rule divisibility by 3. Here let's take the example, which of the following numbers is divisible by 9? The 56. Now we can check it. First we add all the digits. Sum of the digits in 56 is 5 plus 6, that is equals to 11, and 11 is not divisible by 9. So 56 is also not divisible by 9. Then the next is 72. Sum of the digits in 72 is 7 plus 2, that is equals to 9. 9 is divisible by 9. So 72 is also divisible by 9. Then sum of the digits in 456 is 4 plus 5 plus 6, that is equals to 15. 15 is not divisible by 9. So 456 is also not divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the digit in the ones place is 0. For example, which of the following numbers is divisible by 10? Here are the numbers. Now we check it which is divisible by 10. 80. 80 has 0 in the ones place. So 80 is divisible by 10. The next 117 has 7 in the ones place. So 117 is not divisible by 10. Then 1120 has 0 in the ones place. So 1120 is divisible by 10. So students, all of you read and remember all these rules. Then you can solve the exercise very easily.